paano tayo mag-welcome bilang isang Rizaleño, sa kung paano tayo nagpapakita ng pakikipagkapwa o paggalang, at gaya na rin ng ganon ay isa rin ito sa isang sumisimbolo sa kung paano ang Rizaleño ay may mabuting puso. Wala po at maraming salamat.
Same question. Ano yung isang bagay na may pagmamalaki mo bilang isang Rizaleño?
Ang isang bagay na pinagmamalaki ko bilang isang Rizaleño ay ang pagdiriwang ng kapistahan ng iba't ibang kapistahan ng buong Rizal. At masaya natin itong pinagdiriwang at ang pagbibigay ng oportunidad na trabaho para sa mga mamamayan. Salamat po at maraming salamat.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Again, my name is Mauchi and I'm from Santo Domingo, Cainta. So one thing that I'm proud of as a Rizaleño is that I am being tenacious. So I was once a nobody and belongs to marginalized youth population, but through a competition like this, like an event like this, I was able to hone my full potential, and that is something that I'm so proud of. That's why I'm standing in front of you, and I want everyone to resonate through me, because if we being tenacious in everything that we do, then we can achieve our ultimate in every other way. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. What's the question? Ano yung isang bagay na may pagmamalaki mo bilang isang Rizaleño?
As someone who grew up in Rizal in my life, what I can say is that I have met numerous amount of complex people within our community, and in each individual that I met, they all have something in common. We all have something in common, which is courage. As I heard the question, I remember the quote by a friend of the Philippines: "If you dare to struggle, be there to win. If you don't dare to struggle, then you don't deserve it." And I believe each one of us Rizaleños has been there to struggle enough to have victory, whether it's towards our community or towards ourselves. And I think.
Good morning everyone. Ang mapagmamalaki ko sa bilang isang Rizaleño ay ang kabutihan ng mga tao. Na kahit sino bisita, kahit anong klaseng bisita ang ating makasalamuha, patuloy natin itong sinasalubong ng masaya. At sa kahit anong problema ang ating makasalamuha o mangyari, ay ating hinaharap ng masaya. Binabok lang sa
I would say that one thing that I can be proud of as Rizaleño is being Rizaleño itself, because I believe that Rizaleño has a lot of things to offer, and we can promote love and respect to one another. I mean, we are loved by others, and I think it is something that we can be proud of, and that's all.
Good morning everyone. I'm Alvin Jan Diaz, representing San Juan Cainta. Ano nga po ba ang pagmamalaki ko sa Rizal? Ito ang ating kalikasan at kultura. Alam naman po natin ang Rizal ay kilala sa pagkakaroon ng napakagandang kalikasan, at gayon na rin po ang kultura ng bawat bayan. Kaya para po sa akin, dapat ito'y ating pangalagaan. Dahil ang bawat Rizaleño at ang bawat kasamahan ko ay may kanya-kanyang uniqueness. At kapag ito ay tinatangi nila, ito ay magandang representasyon bilang isang Rizaleño. Ayun lamang po, at dapat pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan at pangalagaan ang kultura. Maraming salamat.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ang may pagmamalaki ko lang po bilang isang Rizaleño ay pagpapanatili sa ating kalikasan. Dahil ito po ay nagiging turismo na sa ating Rizaleño, lalo na po sa mga darating tag-init. Yan lamang po, salamat.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Primo from Cardona. So, one thing that I can take pride of being Rizaleño is that a Rizaleño, basing from its historical heritage, a Rizaleño has that strong power of will, that grit in times of circumstances or challenges they have faced and take their chin up on different struggles. So basically, this grit has given us opportunities to promote our cultural heritage, our environment, our arts, our talents, and basing from the theme of this Ginoong Piliang Rizal, the inclusivity on it and expressing one's talent and being able to help promote the programs like Yes to Green and different programs of Rizal's on the national stages. So basically, that strong power of grit is one of the traits of being a Rizaleño. Because as for anyone else, anyone who bears that deepest why, anyone who has that deepest why can almost bear anyhow. And I think.
Thank you so much.